Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to quickly grab and move a group of elements in Canva so you can adjust your layout more efficiently. This is perfect for keeping your designs aligned while saving time. On your Canva dashboard, for example, we have 4 elements here: shapes, text, and images. If you want to move them all at once, all you have to do is hold the Control key and then click each element you want to select. You can select them one by one or drag to highlight the elements you want, so they are all selected together. Let's select these 4 elements. Once they are selected, just click to create or click the group option so that you can move them all as one. As you can see, the 4 elements are now moving together. This makes it much easier to edit your Canva designs. That's how we quickly grab and move a group of elements in Canva in just a few simple steps. Now we can work faster and keep our designs organized with ease.